SearchInform Risk Monitor. Data today is the same asset as office equipment and checking accounts. More than 70% of companies experienced attempts of data leakage. Up to 80% of all data leaks are caused by employees' actions. Companies also experience other incidents which lead to reputational and financial losses. SearchInform Risk Monitor, Next-Gen DLP, ensures reliable protection of a business. SearchInform Risk Monitor deals with tasks of both data-centric and user-centric approaches, gathers information from all data transfer channels, helps to prevent and investigate incidents, reveals risks, and notifies the IS officer about the threats. Key advantages of the Risk Monitor solution by SearchInform. The solution ensures control of all data transmission channels and provides 360-degree visibility on what's actually happening in the organization. More than 250 pre-configured security policies are ready to work immediately. Advanced technologies of text, audio, and video analysis. Embedded tools for incident investigation. Blocking of unwanted users' activities with confidential data. The system encrypts data to make sure it's impossible to use outside the corporate perimeter. The solution notifies about users' abnormal actions. The advanced SearchInform Risk Monitor analytical capabilities enable an IS expert to ensure control of up to 2,000 PCs. Deployment is performed within 2 to 3 hours. Compatibility with Windows, Mac OS, and Linux OS. SearchInform Risk Monitor is recognized by the leading analysts and was included in the Magic Quadrant by Gartner and Radicati Market Quadrant. The solution helps to ensure compliance with major regulatory acts, including GDPR, PCI DSS, HIPAA, SAMA, etc. The solution reliably protects organizations of all sizes from all business spheres. More than 4,000 companies from more than 20 countries trust SearchInform in ensuring their protection. SearchInform, protection of your data is our responsibility.